just went to the beautiful private beach, and now we're heading back to the junk. Once again, Dan is doing a great job paddling, so I can take this amazing footage for you all to see. I think we should be back in about half hour, and they're gonna teach us how to make spring rolls, and then we're gonna eat them. Good job, Dan. Good job, baby. Love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
As long as that. And his daughters.